Hello, guys. Welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 5th January current affairs. Myself, Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel, Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, School Bag Policy 2020. Why? Why this policy is important? Why? Because we will see there are number of students less than age of 10 years, they are carrying kgs of books or weight of kgs of books in their bags. They are unable to carry that bags with the loads of books. That's why this school bag policy 2020 in news. The Director of Education has issued a circular asking schools to follow the new school bag policy 2020 released by the NCERT, that is National Council of Educational Research and Training. According to the circular, school teachers should inform the students in advance about the books and notebooks to be brought to school on a particular day. Suppose we know that in a week from Monday to Saturday. Suppose in Monday there is a one time table. That means if suppose on Monday we will teach history related, or Tuesday we will teach geography related, or any nursery related. In that way we can inform the students to take that particular timetable required books only. Then no need of unnecessary books carrying. That's why it is the responsibility of school teachers to inform the students in advance about the books and notebooks to be brought to school on a particular day, and frequently check their bags, and there is a responsibility of checking also to ensure that they are not carrying unnecessary material. That's why this school bag policy is very important. Next one, 40th Indian Scientific Expedition to Antarctica. Here, the Indian Antarctica expeditions began in 1981. That means more than 39 years ago. The first trip comprised of a team of 21 scientists and support staff led by Dr. S.Z. Kasim. That means the Antarctic expeditions started in 1981. The Indian Antarctic program has now credited to have built three permanent research base stations in Antarctica. These three stations are these three base stations are very important. Please remember and once again revise it. Why? Because these three base stations are very important. There may be a chance of in next coming exams also. Dakshin Gangotri, first one Dakshin Gangotri, next one Maitri, and third one Bharati. Here once again I will tell Dakshina Gangotri, Maitri, Bharati. Dakshina Gangotri, Maitri, Bharati. As of today, India has two operational research stations, that is only named Maitri and Bharati. Maitri and Bharati. Here, the National Center for Polar and Ocean Research NCPOR Goa manages the entire Indian Antarctic program. That is the 40th Indian Scientific Expedition to the Antarctica. Next one, Deeper Bowl, Deeper Bill. Why it is in news? Why? Because the Kamrup Metropolitan District Administration has prohibited community fishing in Deeper Bowl, Deeper Bill. It is a wetland on the southwestern edge of Guwahati and Assam's only Ramsar site. We know that Ramsar Convention is there. In that part, in Assam, there is only one Ramsar site, that is Deeper Bill. Deeper Bill was designated a Ramsar site in 2002 for sustaining a range of aquatic life forms besides 219 species of birds. That's why this Deeper Bill is in news. Next one, Kolar leaf nosed bat. Here, the Karnataka Forest Department, along with the Bat Conservation India Trust, is on war footing to save the kolar leaf-nosed bat from extinction. Why? Because if you see the IUCN status of this kolar leaf-nosed bat, that is critically endangered. That's why to save from this, to save the this kolar leaf-nosed bat, Karnataka Forest Department and the Bat Conservation India Trust are on the war footing. Here it is endemic to India. It is found in only one cave in Hanumahalli village in the Kolar district of Karnataka, and its population is less than 200 individuals. That's why this kolar leaf nosed bat is very important. As a part of UPSC Prelims 2020, today we will discuss 66th question with reference to the pulse production in India. Consider the following statements. Here the statements are like this. First one, black gram can be cultivated as both Kharif and Rabi season. Here green gram alone accounts for nearly half of the pulse production. Here in the last 3 decades, while the production of Kharif pulses has increased, the production of Rabi pulses has decreased. Here the correct option is only one. Why? Because black gram can be cultivated in both Kharif and Rabi seasons. Here not only green gram only account for half of the pulse production. There are other things also there. In the last 3 decades, while the production of Kharif pulses are increased, the production of Rabi pulses are decreased. It is in a reverse order. That's why we will put as a correct option A, one only. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.